from the drawing board to a prototype. Here's the landing gear for the Torch enclosed motorcycle. We have here a modified 5,000 pound winch, dual cam actuated, 7 amp battery. A regular motorcycle battery runs this very well. There's no problems to run that. Limit switches, which also control the LEDs for the position of the landing gear, and that's how it works. Now we're gonna run this about 100 times so we make sure there's nothing wrong with the mechanical or the electrical part, and then we're gonna put it in the bike and try it out there. Looking forward to it. Alright, stay tuned.